Let's look at question D from the multiple choice section in Math 2017. So we're given a diagram of a graph y equals f of x, and it's kind of got two curvy bits, one of them just touching the axis at 0. It looks like there's some sort of vertical asymptote here around about 1. And they've labelled some numbers on the axes for us. Okay, the question is, the graph of y is minus f of minus x is drawn in which diagram below? And they've given us 5 pictures, all with kind of these two parts of the graph shifted around into different places. Okay, so let's think about what this transformation does to this curve. I'll draw it out again down here for us. So here's y equals f of x. Now let's think about y equals f of minus x first. Well, that's a reflection in the y-axis. So you can think about that from just the fact that any x value, for example, when x is 1, this now gives the value of f of minus 1. So it just reflects all the values, and similarly f of minus 1 would now be f of minus minus 1 or f of 1. So it just reflects the values in the y-axis. So what does that do to this curve? Well, if we reflect it in the y-axis, you can think about this portion here kind of now goes to here. It's reflected in here, and that taily bit there goes here, and now this bit that was over here goes over here. So it looks like this. Now what about the other transformation? Y is minus f of x. That's a reflection in the x-axis, because now all your y values become minus what they were before, i.e. you flip them all down here, or if they were down here, you flip them all up here. So if this is a reflection in the x-axis, and if we think about y is minus f of minus x, then that's just a reflection of our previous diagram in the x-axis. So to get the result we want, we can just flip this one in the x-axis. So let's do that, and what do we get? Well, now this bit that was up here comes underneath, so it goes down here like this. Here it is. And the bit that was down here now gets flipped up to here, so it's like here. There we go. Okay, so now we hope that that looks like one of the graphs we were given, and if we scroll up, there we go. The little bit's up here, and it touches here. So the answer is C.